how to remove the shortcut arrows on your Windows 11 desktop or computer. So if you look at my shortcuts, you can see this arrow in the bottom left hand side. I currently have it for my G menu app, also on Discord and Google Chrome as well. Now I'm going to show you how we can go and remove this arrow. So all you need to do is open up the start menu on your computer, search for Registry Editor and click on this window. You then need to click on the drop down arrow next to H key local machine, click on the drop down arrow next to software, scroll down to Microsoft and click on the drop down arrow, then scroll down to the Windows folder and go and click on the drop down arrow next to this. You then need to click on the drop down arrow next to current version, scroll down to the folder called Explorer and click on the drop down arrow. And now what we need to do is create a new folder inside of this Explorer tab. So we're going to right click on the Explorer folder, click on new, and then select key. You then need to rename this folder to shell icons, and you need to make sure you type it out exactly as you see here, and it should have a capital S and also a capital I for icons. Once you've done that, you can just go and select the folder like so. You then need to right click somewhere in this blank space, click on new, and click on string value. You then need to rename this to 29 and press enter. You could then double click on this file, and we now need to go and type in the following value data. So you need to type in exactly what you see on the screen here. Now I won't bother reading this out, but what I'll do is I'll leave this in the video description, and then you can just come in, copy and paste this command here. Once you've entered this, you can go and press OK. So now all we need to do is head back over to our desktop on our computer. You can then open up the start menu and search for Task Manager and click on this window. In the search box at the top, go and search for Explorer, and then you need to right click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Now once you've restarted Windows Explorer, all of the arrows should now be removed from your shortcuts. If you're seeing a black tile or a transparent tile for your arrows, then to go and fix this, we need to head back over to the Registry Editor, and you're going to double click back on this 29 file. You then need to go and remove all of the value data and press OK. You can then just go and restart your computer, and that will have fixed the black square issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.